Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I am going to make an appetizer for a get-together for Wentifred's birthday. For you people that watch all the time, you know that Wentifred is my best good friend, but she's also my aunt. So this recipe, I thought, what would she love? And this is one of her grandmother's recipes that she shared with me to put in the cookbook. It's a cheese ring, okay? It's in Granny's Farm to Table. And I've never made it. I'm just telling y'all like a friend. She's made it, and I have enjoyed eating it at her house, but I've never made it. And so I tried to call her this morning to get just a little coaching session going on, but I couldn't get her. So I'm gonna wing it. It could be a complete disaster as far as the presentation. I don't know. So there is your disclosure statement. Delicious for sure, but when Wentifred makes it, it's like real pretty, and I don't know if I have those skills, but I'm gonna give it my best effort, okay? So this was her grandmother's cheese ring recipe. It calls for 1 cup of pecans. I'm gonna tilt this down so y'all can see. I put 1 cup of pecans in this bag. I have just beat it with my roller pin. Real fancy, right? That's how I do it. I'll set this to the side. Meanwhile, I have grated 1 pound of sharp cheddar cheese and put it in this bowl, okay? I have also measured up 3/4 cup of Duke's mayonnaise. It calls for mayonnaise. You can use what you want. I use Duke's, whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna put that in here. And Tammy said, hey Lisa, what eyeliner do you wear? Honey, I wear whatever's on sale at the CVS or the Walmart. Seriously, I do. Nothing fancy, for sure. But I really do pick what's on sale. Anyway, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. I have also minced a small onion and 1 clove of garlic. I'm gonna pour that in. Wait. Sorry, my phone's ringing. Anyway, the recipe here. I am going to put that in. 1 small onion, 1 clove of garlic minced. Wentifred has fixed this at family gatherings, and it's very, very good. It has some sweet and some savory with it, and I'm gonna serve it with crackers and celery. That's what I'm gonna take tonight. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up best I can. And then I'm gonna add in 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce, Tabasco sauce, whatever your preference is, but you need some hot sauce. The recipe calls for Tabasco sauce. I've just got the store brand of that. And I'm gonna try to measure everything since I've never done this one before. Like I said, I've eaten it, I just haven't done it. I'm a Duke's too. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. I can't see y'all's comments because they're not scrolling. There we go. Anyway, when she does it, the presentation is beautiful, and it's probably because she's done it a couple times. I'm just saying. So bear with me. This could be a complete disaster as far as the presentation that I do with it. The recipe says to put it in a ring after you get it mixed up around the mouth of a coffee cup, like on a platter. And I don't know if Wentifred puts it in like a tube pan or a bundt pan or what, and then gets it cold, but I'm just gonna wing it. Just saying. So let me just make sure. One pound of sharp cheddar cheese grated, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon Tabasco sauce, 1 small onion, 1 clove of garlic minced, and 1 cup of pecans. Okay, now I'm gonna put that over there. Okay, here comes the tricky part. Let me make myself some room here. I have got a platter, and my thoughts were to like put it around there, make a ring, put it in the refrigerator, and then take the cup out, and then put strawberry jam in the middle before I serve it with the crackers and the celery around the edges. That's my plan. We'll see if that comes to fruition here. I've got a glove so I could handle this stuff, this pimento cheese mixture, and maybe it won't stick so bad. Let's see. Okay. Now, you know when you take something somewhere else, you want it to look right, especially if it's your best good friend's recipe from her grandma. Let's see. Just gonna kind of glob it around here. There we go. I can't wait to see y'all's comments back. I wonder if anybody, this is kind of an old-fashioned recipe because of course it was her grandmother's, so I wonder if anybody's ever tried it or had it. Okay, I'm gonna just kind of mold this with my hands around this coffee mug. Like so. See if the handle on the cup might be, yeah, I know, Karen. Karen, what I'm thinking is that once this gets cold in the refrigerator, and I can pick that cup up, I'm just gonna kind of, you know, push my hands in there and mold it into a ring. That doesn't look too bad. Now onto that, I'm gonna spread the pecans and then kind of smash them down in there. That's my plan. We'll see. What about the handle on the cup? I know, I'll have to kind of shape that when I get it out of the refrigerator. Okay. My hands are clean, by the way. So I'm gonna put this, and when Wentifred sees this, she may think this is hilarious. But when she did it, it was real pretty, and it was on a platter with crackers, and then the strawberry jam in the middle just sets it off. I had never had anything quite like it. So when I was getting that recipe book together, I said, can you give me your grandmother's cheese ring recipe? And this is it. Smells good. Okay. I'm trying to work one-handed here, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna cover the cheese with the pecans. I'm gonna cover this, and then I am going to refrigerate it for a couple hours because we're not going to get together until tonight. And then when I get this out of the refrigerator, I'll remove that cup, shape it like I want it a little bit better, and then I'm going to pour that strawberry jam in the middle of it. And I'll take a picture of it before we serve it tonight with the crackers and the celery on it. It'd be good with carrots, chips, pita, whatever you normally would eat like a cheese ball with. But y'all stay tuned for a picture. Then you can see if I actually made it pretty enough. But that is what I'm taking to Winifred's birthday tonight. So this recipe's in your cookbook. It is, Terry. It is in the Granny's Farm to Table cookbook. And if I get any extra pointers from her later, I'll post them underneath this vlog, so y'all can at least see it from the master who's made it a lot of times. I think it'd be good with pepper jelly in the middle as well, or whatever jelly you like, but it looks real pretty with the strawberry jelly and that, or the strawberry jam, and that is what her grandmother's recipe called for. So there we have it. This is going into the fridge. Hopefully it will look pretty when I get it out. And I will post a picture underneath this vlog and y'all can judge for yourself. Winifred's grandmother's cheese ring. That's what I'm doing for tonight's girls' night. And I will see y'all when I see you. Take care. Bye.